Hi, I'm Bridget from eCloth, and with spring cleaning coming up, we're all about to do a lot of dusting. So let's look at how we can make it easier while saving you money in the process. One of the biggest tasks for spring cleaning is dusting, and I like to start from the top and work towards the bottom, using our easy click duster to reach the ceiling, get cobwebs, high on cabinets, and ceiling fans. I then like to use our high performance dusting cloth to wipe down cabinets, doors, tables, and windowsills. For smaller, more delicate areas, I like our dusting glove to clean lighting fixtures, chairs, and lots more. To get into those tight areas like in between appliances, cabinets, and walls, and in between radiators, I love our dusting wand. And finally, I finished dusting the floors with our Flexi-Edge duster. Check out the video for that. It's great to get into corners and picking up dust. And when you're done, you can throw the products in the laundry instead of in the garbage. What's your favorite eCloth duster? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more spring cleaning tips. Thanks for watching and see you soon.